Beneath the sun on rolling hills, where rivers dance and forests still, Bob Islands chant to the wind and sky, guardians of earth, spirits nearby. Robotan heroes of ancient lore, told of lands we all adore. Camarines Sur, through time you shine, from the mountains tall to the coastlines fine. Through fire and storm your heart endures. Oh, Camarines Sur, our home so pure. Spanish galleons sailed the seas, bringing faith and new decrees. Church bell rings, the townships grow, Principalia rise, the rivers flow, yet hearts remain, tradition strong, songs of freedom echo long. Camarines Sur, through time you shine, from the mountains tall to the coastlines fine. Through fire and storm your heart endures. Oh, Camarines Sur, our home so pure. Revolution and modern day, Albayanos brave, they took a stand, fought for freedom, defended the land. Fields of Abaca waving high, the city lights meet the volcano sky. From Naga streets to Pasaco shore, your spirit grows forevermore. Through the echoes of the past and the winds that blow so fast, Camarines Sur, you rise anew, your history song forever true. Camarines Sur, through time you shine, from the mountains tall to the coastlines fine. Through fire and storm your heart endures. Oh, Camarines Sur, so pure. Yes, Camarines Sur, our love endures.